Namaskar. Today we are going to study a topic from physiology, that is blood circulation in man. As we all know, blood is a fluid that is flowing throughout the body and it supports the life. Here we are going to study the first topic, composition of mammalian blood. The whole blood of a human being, it comprises of mainly two parts. The first part is plasma, which is 55% by volume, and the second portion it is blood cells, which comprise of 45% of total whole blood. Now, what plasma contains? Plasma itself has 90% of water and 10% other components. What are these other components? These components include some dissolved proteins, antibodies, sugars, vitamins and mineral salts. Remaining part, it is composed of water. All these substances, these are dissolved in the water and it forms plasma. The second portion, that is blood cell, it is 45% by volume and it constitutes three main portions. The first one is RBCs, that is red blood cells. The second cellular part, it is WBC, that is white blood cells, and the third important part, it is platelets. Now we are going to study the next part, that is functions of mammalian blood. Blood performs many functions. Out of these functions, let us study the first function, that is transport. Blood performs the function of transport of many essential elements in the body. The first major transport occurs is that of oxygen. In the lungs, when we inhale the air, oxygen from that air, it combines with hemoglobin which is present in RBCs in the blood. It forms oxyhemoglobin, and through this oxyhemoglobin, all the cells in our body, they get oxygen. Secondly, during the respiration process, whatever carbon dioxide is generated within the cells, it is transported back to the lungs with the help of blood only. That means blood performs two transport functions. First one, oxygen from lungs to the cells and carbon dioxide from cells to the lungs. Also, blood is a liquid. It contains many dissolved materials such as vitamins, proteins and other mineral salts. All these materials are transported to the different parts of the body, different cells of the body, muscles and all the essential visceral organs through the blood only. Second portion, that is the defense against infection. Blood gives us a defense against all kinds of infections. This function is performed by the cells in the blood that are WBCs. These white blood cells, they have special property, that is of phagocytosis. They kill the pathogens that enter the blood. Also, macrophages and monocytes in the blood, which are the types of WBCs, they also kill and finish all the pathogens which are entering into the body. The third major function of the blood, that is of regulation. Our body temperature remains at a constant of 37 degrees Celsius. It is due to the blood. Also, blood performs carriage of many hormones from the producer organ to the effective organ. In this way, blood performs these three main functions: transport, defense against infection and regulation. Let us see next topic, that is, in emergencies an injured person may die. Why he will die? Due to excessive loss of blood through his body. So how can we save his life? Yes, there is an answer for this, and the answer is blood transfusion. Blood transfusion, it is a process of transferring a blood from one living being to the another living being. This process is not as much simpler as it is said. It involves many critical factors. There is a criterion for blood transfusion, and this criteria depends upon the blood groups. Do you know what is your blood group? Yes, I am asking. There are four kinds of blood groups: blood group A, B, O and AB. These four types of blood groups, they were invented by Mr. Carl Landsteiner in 1901. These four types of blood groups, these are present in all the population of human beings. A individual has any one of all these four blood groups, either A, B, AB or O. How these blood groups are determined? These are determined by a special type of antigenic proteins which are present in the blood cells, that is RBCs. So this much was regarding the blood and its composition and its function. Thank you.